Yo, welcome back to another video on Sean Graphics. Today I've got another tutorial for y'all boys. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to turn this into this. Yeah, I know. But before we move forward, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and share this to all your friends. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Sean.graphics, and a link will be in the description below. Okay, first I'll search G Herbo on Safari, and then went to images, and as usual, change the search filters to large to get a good quality image. After finding an image that fit the vibe I was looking for, I searched for a couple more pages to float around in the background. After that, I loaded the image into CapCut so that way I can crop it to make sure that it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Then I had to load it into Photoroom to get the background removed. Once that was done, I loaded the original image and the new image into CapCut. I made sure it was lined up perfectly, then moved on to the next step. I changed the adjustments in the background a little bit just to add a little bit of texture to it. Then after removing the background from all the other images, I proceeded to load them into PicsArt to position them around the main image. After that image was saved, I moved it back into CapCut and positioned it behind him to act as a background. Once that was positioned, I needed to do adjustments to the shine and the brightness and of the main image. After that, I felt like the main components of the image was done, so I began to add the text. I started off with adding the biggest swerve. After that, I added G Herbo at the top in red letters and spaced out the letters a little bit, and it was pretty much done from there. It was time to add some masks for aesthetic. I went through a couple different masks. Some I didn't like, some I did like. After coming up with a combination I liked, it was time to add the stickers at the bottom. After inverting my logo to a white color so that way it could pop out a little better, I positioned the parental advisory sticker and my logo next to each other, lined up right. And this is the final result. Y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about this. Rated 1 through 10. Y'all let me know if y'all want to keep getting these tutorials. Whatever y'all need to know, I'm here for it. Follow me on Instagram, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, hit the bell, and stay tuned to the next video. Gang.